Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give two numbers in integer, and then our program will swap the arrangement of the two given numbers using Scala or scalable programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, we have here a machine problem. Write a program that will ask the user to give two numbers, and then the program will display the original arrangement of the two numbers and swap the arrangement of the two numbers on the screen. So we have here a series of comments, and then we have import Java util scanner for input output. One of the characteristic of Scala is that you can integrate the commands in Java. In my learning experience, almost 75 to 80% of commands in Java will work directly without any modification or changes in Scala. So we have here the library file in Java that is integrated to Scala, no? So we have here object product. So we have here the main method, no? Var scanner, and then we have the title swap two numbers in Scala. And then in this line of code, we are asking the user to give first number that will be stored in our variable A. The same thing in this line of code. Second number will store the value in variable B. Both variable A and B has an integer value, and then it will display the given two numbers or two value in a variable A and B, and then swapping here. So we have here var temp equals A equals B, B equals temp. So after swapping, it will display the result here, and then end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended. New line here, and then we close the body of our function main. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial of swap two numbers in Scala. Let us go to our Visual Studio Code to run in the code in the terminal window. So to run, we issue command Scala space swap .scala. Let's press the enter key from our keyboard, and then let us wait. Okay, our program right now is running. Swap two numbers in Scala. Enter first value. Let's say we have 10. Second number we have 2. Before swapping, the value in variable A is 10. The value in variable B is 2. After swapping, the value of variable A is 2, the value of variable B is 10, and a program. Another example. Enter two numbers in Scala. Enter first value. We have 7. Second number we have 9. So values before swapping, the value in variable A is 7, value in variable B is 9. Values after swapping, the present value of variable A becomes 9, and then the value in variable B is 7, and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on swap of two numbers in Scala programming language. I hope that you entertain and learn something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. See you in the next video guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.